To replace the battery in a Nissan 370Z Nismo, follow these steps. Tools you'll need: 10mm wrench or socket, protective gloves, flat screwdriver, battery terminal cleaner optional, new 12-volt battery, 90D23L 1SMF. Step 1. Preparation. 1. Park the car on a flat surface and engage the parking brake. 2. Turn off the ignition and remove the key. 3. Pop the hood using the interior hood release lever. Step 2. Locate the battery. The battery is on the passenger side, near the firewall under a plastic cover. Step 3. Disconnect the battery terminals. 1. Remove the plastic battery cover. Use flat screwdriver to remove all plastic pin. 2. Disconnect the negative terminal first black, marked with a minus symbol using a 10mm wrench. 3. Disconnect the positive terminal red, marked with a plus symbol. Step 4. Remove the battery. 1. Loosen and remove the battery hold down bracket, usually a 10mm bolt. 2. Carefully lift the battery out of the tray. The battery is heavy, so lift with both hands. Step 5. Install the new battery. 1. Place the new battery into the tray, ensuring the terminals are in the correct position. 2. Reattach the battery hold down bracket and secure it tightly. 3. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. 4. Tighten both terminals securely but do not over-tighten. Final check. 1. Replace the plastic battery cover. 2. Start the car to ensure the battery is working properly. 3. Reset the clock, radio presets, and any other settings if necessary.
10.7 ang voltage. Okay, so 10.7 po yung voltage drop ng battery. Tapos yung alternator sir 14.2. Opo. Sige po.